Is it working? I think it's working. We're recording. And I should have made myself something warm, hot tea so that my throat would work in these conditions. You know what I need? You know what I should get? I should get myself maybe a lozenge or something. Not like I'm coughing, but a little Halls might help my throat feel better because it is what it is. Outside throw. Oh, Battlestar Galactica is on. And I'm watching it, and I shouldn't be watching it. Crap. Okay, what am I doing? What am I doing? Alright. Put this down somewhere. Next to the tie that is where it shouldn't be. Alright. So, what am I doing here? Oh, yeah. So, I've been trying to get colors working here for Regolith here. It's a mess because I ended up pointing to some of the files in one place and some of the files in the other place for configuring this thing. And I don't know how I did it because I did it, or why I did it. So, like here, for instance, hold on. IS3 WM. So I got this doesn't count, this doesn't count. Okay, so I got two of them here and here. And this one is the IS3WM that actually does things, but this one isn't, even though this is a location for all the freaking colors that this is looking at. So, yeah, I'm kind of incompetent when it comes to system administration, go figure. But that's alright, I'm not a system admin, so there. And you hear that? Hear my voice? What the frackin' A is wrong with me? I'm just having troubles. That sucks. Alright, what are we doing? Yeah, let's, no, I don't have that one. Alright, let's go ahead. Alright. Let's do a new one. We're gonna do a new one. Dang it. Not what I want to do. Now it doesn't make much difference, so let's try. Let's try FizzBuzz Traditional. Because oh, I'm doing that. Oh, I didn't even use strict. Oof. Alright, let's do that right then. Hold on. I really should have some kind of macro for this. That's alright. I'll do that later. User bin Perl. Use 5.99. This I can't remember what it is. I'll change that in a moment. Strict. Or use strict isn't there? It's use warnings I need. Yeah. Because this switch isn't in there, I'll have to change it. We'll use strict and say in other features. So let's yeah. Go ahead and set this up. That's how I have to do this. There we go. Right here. Never remember that silly thing. I could have done version 2. That would have been simpler. Oh my gosh, I'm such a dim bulb. what I ought to do is this, which gives me this, which would have been simpler, but I didn't do it, so that's okay. So, okay, so let's go ahead. Now, I'm not going to do subroutine, anything like that. I'm just going to do straight up. We're going to be traditional. I'm going to go ahead and populate an array. A for array. I don't think I need parentheses. I'm going to try that. Hang on. I need to use dumper. Print that at dumper? No, dumper. Oh, I did not need to do that. Silly me. All right. Can't locate. Oh, oops. Yeah. That was silly of me. Look at that, it worked. Right, usually I'd put parentheses around here. I'd go like this kind of thing. Don't need it, evidently. Parentheses are give you a hash, an array or a list. Is it list context or array context? I don't remember what it's called. It's one or the other. It's different. Whatever. One or the other's right, the other one's not. Doesn't matter. I'll figure it out later. But it gives you that array slice. Evidently, I don't need the parentheses, so cool. I don't know if that's always been that way or what. So there we go. We're good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do it good old-fashioned long way. So, oh, crapola. This is the episode of Battlestar Galactica where the virus runs around and it gets very uncomfortable where the 8 sticks a cabling. Oh, it's very, very unpleasant. Ouch, it makes my arms hurt, actually. Okay. What was I saying? Yeah, I wonder, can I do this here, too? Can I just do this? I'm going to print. What am I doing? Say so much better. There's a whole reason I did this was so I could do say. I don't know if it's going to work, so we're going to find out. Here goes. And it yells at me. So I thought, we're going to have to put parentheses around this. Gosh darn it. There we go. So yeah, we got up here, this is the dumper. Say dumper. And down here is the for loop. Right here. For every element in the array, you're going to say what that element is. Cool. Well, we're not going to worry. Well, I can make it that one. Whatever. You know what? I'm changing this. Hang on. Cool. Easier to see. Oh, I experimented to make it go like, ooh, look, it's more or less opaque or transparent or whatever the hell it is. It works. All right, so what are we talking about? Oh yeah, you see it's oh, check this out. Hang on. Check out the italics. Finally got around to making a reasonable, at least for me. What's it called again? Color scheme, which isn't much of one. It's all mostly grays and such, with just a couple of things that are off, different color. Because I want to simplify it and not worry about all sorts of complicated stuff. So I'm not good at it anyway. Okay. So what are we looking at? All right, we're gonna just do it standard. So, all right. So we could print, or I could populate another array. I think I want to populate another array. My B. Array B. We're going to do that. So, push B Now I'm gonna do that. What? No, I don't want to do that. I'm gonna do this. For my number. Say number. This is why I'm gonna do that. Number equals Fizz. Do I have to capitalize? I don't know. Unless number mod 3. Then number dot equals. Oh, that's a problem. Damn. Frack me. Because you see, if I do this, number, if I don't dot equals it, right, it's just fuzz. But I have to dot equals it in order to give a buzz, right? Oh, no, I don't. No, I don't. I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to do it real traditional, which means I have 3 different. I'm going to have 3 different set. I was originally, I wanted to do num append fizz if it's divisible by 3, append buzz if it's divisible by 3, and then you have fizz and buzz already there. You don't have to check for FizzBuzz, and then you adjust accordingly. But I'm not going to do that. I want to do it the old-fashioned way. So is buzz period, no appending. So I'm going to do 3 different checks or more, unless. Oh, for crying out loud. Num mod 5. There we go. Oh, that's pretty. No, it didn't. It sucks. Whatever. All right. So num is fizz unless num is divisible by 3. So num's still a number. Num is buzz unless num is divisible by 5. Num's a number. Now, I could have done it and not worry about any more, but darn, I'm going to do more. So num is FizzBuzz. This is old-fashioned 3 different unless num is divisible by 15. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. Yeah. Right, unless num is not divisible. Oh, shit, I got that wrong. Okay. Fizz unless num is not divisible by 3. Buzz unless num is not divisible by 5. Why is there a space there or whatever? Shouldn't anything. FizzBuzz unless num is not divisible by 15. Yeah, you can take this one, isn't necessarily, but I'm not going to worry about that. And then we're going to push. No, I'm not printing. I could print it out now, but I'm not going to. I'm going to push B num. That's it. Now B should have everything. Now the reason I'm doing it, oh man. Hot damn. I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted. Alright, where am I? I forgot what we're doing. No, okay. Huh. Oh, I changed my colors up here. It's kind of fun. Oh, no, I want it. Well, okay. I wonder what that does. Yeah, it doesn't go that deep. You can't see it, I don't think. I can. I don't know if you can. Oh, this is nice. Now let's kill that. I'm making smacking noise with my mouth and stuff because I'm having that lozenge in my throat. I don't know if it's a good idea or not. No matter. What was I doing? Oh yeah. All right. So now I'm gonna do a print, and I'm just gonna do 4. 0 dot me. Yeah, that doesn't look right. Where is this one? I think it's that, right? Yeah, I can't remember. That's right. I have no idea what why it works, or how the syntax is, but this is supposed to give me the last value, or the last element number, index number of reference of array B. There wasn't much of this one. I don't know. I could do a combination. Well, let's try this first. Okay. Check this. Okay. So we now have a value. So we're gonna say a default variable. Default variable is from the for loop. I had it up here going on earlier, so that's fine. Then we're going to actually I'm gonna do this. I don't know, just for fun. Then B default value. Don't know if it's gonna work right because I'm terrible at printing things out. See what happens. Oh. Oh, frack. That's a reference. That was a separate number. Oh, well, go figure. I mixed that up, didn't I? Huh. I wasn't intending to change the first array. But my brain went sideways. And I forgot, and this actually is a reference. Hang on a moment. Yeah, there it is. Wait a minute. It's all wrong anyway. Oh, of course it's FizzBuzz because it's going to do it automatically. Frack me. I screwed this up big time. Not used to doing it this way. You know, it's funny. This is harder for me to do than the ways I've done before. How funny is that? So, Oh, that's right. I have to do it this way. God, I'm such an idiot. Wait a minute. Why is it FizzBuzzing all the way? And it's supposed to be that? 3 and 5? 3 is not 15. That is so freaking weird. What did I do wrong? I'm going to do this. I'm going to say foo, and then I'm going to go bar. Because I want to understand where I'm making a mistake. And it goes all the way through. Oh my gosh, that is so weird. This is my misunderstanding of this. But it should be only 1 out of every 15, right? Am I wrong about that? Or well, let's do this then. Oh wait, that's why. Oh, I'm doing unlesses. I should do ifs in this case. That's why. Because I'm so used to using unless than that. Right? Well, it still shouldn't make any difference. Oh, well, I don't know. Oh. There it is. How did I do that? Okay, num is foo unless you have a value, which means num is not equal to foo. Num is just num. Like 1 and 2. 3. Why does it say bar? Good numeric. Uh-oh. What? Who is numeric modulus? Oh, 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 oh. You see, I'm looking at number, remember, and I'm an idiot, and I'm a huge idiot. Oh my God, I'm such a huge idiot. Number is a value. Number becomes foo, and it's no longer a number. You'd think I would have noticed this, but I didn't. Yeah, that's my fault. My stupidity. My foolishness. My lack of care. So let's try that again. My number. So we're going to not say no because it's annoying. My temp. Temp equals foo. Temp equals bar. Temp equals FizzBuzz. If not, we're going to do if there, 2 unless and if. Alright, actually I'm going to do, yeah. My temp equals, no, that's important. Push temp. This is so much more complicated. The way I usually do this sort of thing, oddly enough, is much easier. All right, what are we printing? We're printing, oh, dumper A. That's why. Huh. All right, let's Alright, we got lots of foo bars, but no FizzBuzz. So what? Temp equals FizzBuzz if num is not, or is divisible by 15. Why not? Well, maybe I mean, no, let's try unless. My classic. Always do unless. See what it does. There goes FizzBuzz. So, why? Oops. So usually, and maybe I am required to do this. Okay, yeah, I required that. So you can do this, or you can use unless. Unless works fine. Any mess up is my fault. And it looks pretty good. Not great, but good. The advantage to the way Perl works is that, you know, these values, the nature of types is not integer or text. It's scalar versus list. The disadvantage is to that, or the advantage to that is it lets you mess with text effectively, back and forth. Text, number, mess with the number, put it back into text, bring it back out as a number again, etc. because you're not messing with it. You're not deciding whether or not it's a number. You're using it directly. The disadvantage is this. This can happen to you. So it does take care and thinking. I think in modern Perl, you can make sure that it's you use features to encourage or maintain a type such as integer, character. Character. I don't know why you'd want that, but okay, integer or text or whatever. But generally speaking, it isn't necessary, at least not for the niches that I'm used to Perl being used in, which is text munging and to a degree data munging. Alright, so there we go, we got it. We got FizzBuzz number 2, I guess. And funny thing is, this is harder for me to do because I'm not used to using, I'm just not used to doing it this way. I don't usually use decisions like this. I like either transforming the list or it's fun to make it branch lists, that kind of thing. It's always fun. That's okay, it worked. And I like say. That's fun. Yeah, so there you have it. The end. I hear the background of the refrigerator, and or away in the background I hear the washing machine. I'm washing my clothes for tomorrow so that I can go to work and not stink to high heaven. I think I'm going to take a shower too. That'll be good. So I left the microphone behind the monitor of my little machine here, my little laptop. Mostly because that dang light on it bothers me, because I have this weird, I don't know if it's OCD or I think it's OCD, ADHD thing that fracks with me with visual stimulus, like that. And so that helped hide it. I don't know what it's going to do for the audio quality, which is crap anyway, and that's okay. So there you have it. Yeehaw. The end. Oh, and I changed this. I'm messing with things. Alright, so I decided to have these little cogs here for my system administration type stuff. Like this, trying to figure out what the hell to do with the colors and all, and for messing with my machine. And this, well, programming too, I guess. And actually, come to think of it, I think it could have gone here. 16. Yeah, or sometimes a wiggly thing. 18, 19. What does that mean? I don't even know what that means. I just found something. 1/8. That's funny. This is a moo, like a cow. A sacred cow. Or, well, not so much a sacred cow as a bad question moo. Oh, there we go. Oh man, I've been doing this for almost a half hour. Pretty cool. I'm gonna quit the. Oh yeah, I was watching that. Baby metal. Baby metal. Yeah. Oh, experimenting. All right. Ooh, there's a missing. There we go. That's good. All right. What am I doing? Oh, I forgot it makes things. That's cool. Oh, where am I? Here we are. That's good enough. Enjoy. I'm gonna quit this now. I'm tired. Good night. Alt. Super. Control Shift R. Wait, I gotta be quiet. Hold on, I gotta be quiet first. Let the audio be good for audio noise reduction or whatever.